Building with earth is an ancient practice, but the benefits of clay surfaces are very appealing in modern dwellings. As well as helping create luxurious, beautiful spaces, clay contributes to healthy and comfortable interiors because of the properties of the minerals it contains, which buffer strong swings in temperature and humidity. You could say that clay plaster is in effect a self-regulating low-tech air conditioner. For this demonstration, Matt will apply an initial layer of Claytec Undercoat, a blend of clay, fine aggregate and plant fibres. When that's dry, he'll move on to the finish with Yosima clay design plaster.
The clay undercoat is very easy to use. It contains a lot of plant fibres which help control shrinkage and cracking. The same as any other base coat, once you start troweling on, you want to work into what you've applied. That way you keep the same depth. Once applied all over, trowel it flat and smooth. If you want to, you can apply a damp sponge to give it a light abrasion just for a better key for the top coats. It can also be used as a decorative finish coat. Once the background is dry, probably after a day or two, it's a good idea before you apply the Claytec Topcoat, or in this case the Claytec Yosima plaster, to give a good spray over the surface just to damp down and control suction. The thin coat plaster is applied in 1 or 2 passes, but this time working away from yourself to keep the thickness even, and so as not to go over what you've done and make it thicker. Applying the top coat is a bit trickier. It can seem quite marshmallowy, so every time you go back to try and flatten a bit out, it may drag. The best way to overcome this is to go back with a clean wet trowel every time. As the Yosima Topcoat starts to dry back, it becomes much easier to trowel and a lot easier to remove the lines. There's no chemical set here, it's purely a drying process, so it's important because the aggregate is fine to make sure you compact it well as it dries. If you walk away from it when there's still moisture in there, it could be prone to crazing. This can be a troweled finish or a sponge finish, and they also do additives such as glitter, straw and stone.